Here's how to clone your voice with Minimax AI in less than 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide so you can create a digital version of your voice quickly and use it for recordings, content, or projects without repeating the same lines over and over. The process starts by opening the Minimax AI voice cloning tool on your device. Once you're on the platform, look for the option that allows you to create or clone a voice. You'll be guided to upload an audio sample or record your voice directly. This step is important because the system learns how your voice sounds based on what you provide. Next, prepare a clear voice sample. Find a quiet place and record a short clip of yourself speaking naturally. Try to speak clearly and at a steady pace since the quality of your sample affects how accurate the final voice will sound. If you already have a recording, you can upload that instead. Once the file is ready, upload it in the platform and allow the system to process it. After uploading, the tool begins analyzing your voice. It studies tone, pitch, and speaking patterns to create a digital version that sounds similar to you. This usually takes a short amount of time. Once the process is complete, your cloned voice becomes available for use inside the platform. Now comes the part where you generate audio. Type the text you want the voice to say into the box. This could be a script, a message, or any content you need. After entering the text, select your cloned voice and start the generation process. The system will turn your text into spoken audio using the voice you created. You can then listen to the result and make adjustments if needed. If something sounds off, you can edit the text or refine your voice sample by uploading a clearer recording. Once you're satisfied, you can download the audio file and use it for your project. To get the best results, keep your recordings clear and consistent. Using a quiet environment and speaking naturally helps the system produce a more accurate voice clone. Over time, you can create multiple versions or improve the quality by updating your samples. Following these steps makes it possible to clone your voice using Minimax AI in just a short amount of time. With a simple setup, clear recording, and a few adjustments, you can create a digital voice that can read your text whenever you need it.